Business cards sure pile up quickly. Manually entering them in a spreadsheet is a pain. And in your company, you never know who's got whose cards. Business cards are little more than paper, unless you put them to use. With Sansan, your cards data is digitized, then managed in your company. Connections can now be shared, and the value of these contacts grows and grows. Exchanged cards are now corporate assets. With Sansan at work in your company, employees scan all their cards. Sansan quickly digitizes the data with 99.9% accuracy. Now your company has a proprietary network of connections. On the go? Use the mobile app to check client details and map out your trip. Stay updated on contacts, companies, and on personnel changes. Authorized users can see who acquired the contact. Contacts are no longer managed privately. They're now shareable. Team members can add notes and reports and follow the progress of deals. You can also segment contacts by attributes and group them for mailing. Introduce Sansan in your company and you'll see your full contact network and uncover hidden connections. Staff can work together to boost sales. Unlock the power of business cards with Sansan.